Zion.
We're getting close to Zion National Park, one of the best national parks in the state of Utah, renowned national parks in the United States. It welcomes more than 10 million visitors a year. Come and explore the best park in Utah. No, not here. Keep going. Bring your family members, your children. A lot of outdoors activities, recreation parks. You have Arches National Park. You have Zion. Utah is known for.
Arrive at Zion National Park.
We just made it. All right.
Right.
So this is Zion National Park. Look at the entrance. We're going to get inside the park, and we're gonna talk to you guys pretty soon. All right. Cut.